Damn, what the hell? Ooh, check these guys out. Nice RX-7. The heck? OG Koreans know this spot. What's up? What's up, dude?
What's up? Good morning.
Oh, Eden! 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 Eden!
Let's go for a quick walk.
Let's go.
Oh, no.
Alright, so what basically has been happening is, well, first we're at Guido's place right now. We're gonna head over to TF Works season closer meet. Essentially, Guido was supposed to have his Miata running, but during an install of his dash cam, which is just kind of dangling right here, the car just won't turn on after he completed the install, and now it bogs and white smoke comes out of the exhaust.
No exhaust.
Or engine?
That's when I give it gas, but that's just like, it's whatever. But I'm gonna have to remove the dash, clean up all this mess. I don't know if you can see, but if you look under here, it's just all a mess from the previous owner. So I'm just gonna have to clean it all up, start from scratch, you know, and then make it fully mine. I'm gonna know the car inside and out. Yeah, that's really it. I mean, like, I'm gonna remove the battery soon. But yeah, I don't know if you guys saw, like, my engine bay, it looking clean.
You see this engine bay.
But the white smoke came from like back here, so I'm not too sure.
Was it like a cloud or was it like slow, like steam?
Slow fizzle.
Oh damn.
So it was just like, I don't know. It's probably coming from the exhaust or something, or it could have came from here too. I don't. I was too late.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to clean up all these wires here in the winter, and tuck all these wires. I'm gonna delete that ABS unit because it doesn't work.
Wait, your ABS doesn't work?
Yeah, I don't know. I braked really hard, and nothing happened. So.
Huh.
But yeah, if you want to hear it,
let's try crank it. Let's see.
It sounds like trash, bro.
Bro, watch it just start up.
I know, right? If it just starts up, then it'd be crazy. And it just dies.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, I think it's dead. Oh, damn. The fuck? But your new shelves look nice.
Yeah, the workbenches.
Yeah, your workbenches and shelves look very nice.
Aaron and I installed them, or we built it and then we installed it. It was cheap from Amazon Plug.
Shut up.
But yeah, I'm not done with it yet because, you know, I've just been dealing with the car still. So I gotta fiddle with the pegboard, clean this all up. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just looking forward to going to TF. Just forgetting about this for a moment, and
fuck this piece of shit.
and come back to it, you know, because yeah, I really want it to be clean, like get rid of all of this. Like, what I see, this is the problem. I don't know what this goes to, you know, and like there's like plugs that are, you know, like this. What is this? What is this for? No idea. I taped that up, but honestly, like, even though it has all of this stuff, like, it still ran. And it ran fine. It ran pretty strong. So
yeah, that's crazy. That like, okay, so you're basically saying like this was like this,
yeah,
and like these unknown plugs were unplugged, but it still ran well,
right?
when you had the car, when it was running, obviously.
Right, so yeah, I mean, it's a good opportunity for me to learn how to work Megasquirt, because I'm running Megasquirt. I know it says turbo here. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but there's no turbo.
There's space for one. I guess if you're gonna do it, right? There's huge space right here.
Yeah. But this block is from a 2005 Mazda Speed Miata, and the previous owner unturboed it. I don't know why.
What a dickhead! I'm just kidding.
But I don't know. Gonna try to do some work.
Nice.
That's expensive.
Yeah.
Dude, it's expensive. I didn't know, and I looked it up, and I was like, it's expensive.
So basically, Guido's just going to. Oh, I saw this. This is kind of funny. What is this? 3D printed?
Oh yeah. So Mark, my cousin's fiance, 3D printed a vent, so more air comes into the cabin. But I can't. It works. It definitely works. But I don't know if I can feel a difference because the top is down.
Oh yeah.
It's a lot of air regardless. But I just thought it'd be like a really cool piece to add on, and he printed it for me. So shout out to Mark, and I really appreciate it. But yeah, I can't drive the car at the moment.
It's funny because the Supras have like an air vent pointed at the crotch, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like old Toyotas?
Yeah, like the Mark 4s. Yeah, they have like an air vent like near your dick, basically. But anyways, yeah, since the car's essentially down, obviously you heard it, Guido is just going to be jumping in the Supra. We're going to take this dirty little Supra thing to the meet. What time is it right now?
9:12.
Yeah, well, we have to meet up with the other guys at 9:30 at this Chinese restaurant, and then we're gonna head over.
Chinese Munch.
Yeah.
Shout out to Chinese Munch, sponsor us, bro.
It's open. Hey, you running on E85?
I wish, man. E85 here.
Chris over here, it's S2K. Very nice color. And then Charles, the Civic.
Red on red.
What about his color?
They're both red. I feel like, well, Charles has a darker red, and Chris has like a lighter red.
Is that single stage paint?
All right, let's head over.
Oh my gosh, okay, it's not bad.
If I get 15,
Hey, Chris is parking. You're trying to get out right now.
Oh yeah, I mean,
Guido, is that even your seat?
no, it's Charles's. He brought it.
Hey, let's go check out the 240s over there. I haven't seen those 240s.
I'm old. I like make noises when I sit down and sit up, whatever. Like,
Let's go.
Miata.
Ooh, Mark 4 Supra.
Hold on, I gotta go see this.
Nice.
That's an H6.
Are these TF's cars?
That one is for sure. I know the BMW is. I don't know about this one. Unless they repainted it.
Nice. Dude, this one looks so sick. Look at that BMW. Drift build. Then you have the TF Works drift cars over here. Nice 240s. Looks so nice. That livery. Check this one out. Oh wow. Straight up drift build. Alright, the fuckboy festivities are happening. Fucking Chevy Spark. Another 240 by TF. Also very nice. The Advent gold wheels. Nice. Looks like hella people are starting to come in now. IS300, BRZ. These people are starting to come in.
Instead of me going turbo.
So this has a Honda motor in it.
Yeah.
What the heck?
And This is new. The high-rise headers, and this is probably their own custom too.
So complete TF work build. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I mean they have it like literally embroidered in there. Like, wow, that's crazy.
Wheels too, man.
Nice.
I didn't even see the wheels.
Fisker, what the heck is that thing? That thing looks crazy. Fisker Carmo? Alfa Romeo? I don't know. Or Miata. WRX, another one. Classic. More Miatas. Type R's in the back. S2Ks. Wow, this Miata looks very sick. Damn, all murdered out. White wheels too. Type R. Nice S2K. And the Veloster N. Oh man, sad story about this car. I was actually about to buy this car before the Supra, but just couldn't make a deal with the dealership. Sucks. Always good to see him though. Got some TX swag, sticker, shirt, license plate, as well as a hoodie. Definitely need the license plate because mine are freaking bare and mine's too sharp. Look how they have the 240 rear taillight section. Only $1,200. $1,195. The heck, this K truck is so cute. Nice. Very nice. Ooh, F80 M3. Again, one of my favorite BMW series. F series, so nice. A lot of cars I'm trying to pull in now. Evos, classic. Ooh, MR2. Mint. Loving that M2 comp. The new ones though, not so much. Oh damn, what the hell? Look at Drift Boys. Damn, look at that color. Holly M3. And with the BBS wheels.
So you, Kenny?
Yeah, for real. I love these wheels. These are awesome. Those cost a fortune though. Again, a lot of 240s. Nice 180, I think. Right hand drive. Well, left hand drive actually.
Different. Look at that shit.
It's a V8.
Ooh, look at this Sylvia. It's nice. With the fuzzy dice.
I really am a Mazda fan.
Loving this color on this IS300.
Yeah, I love him, man. He's fantastic.
So nice. Then TF Works 240. Classic. Ooh, black Supra. Boop. Freaking Guido's in the way. Some Mustangs. Type R's. And then F80 M3 we saw earlier. Very nice. Another NSX. This RX-8
has his emissions.
Dude, that's
has a
sick that it
VVTI.
fits.
What the
That's
heck?
what I'm saying.
That's
It fits in there. I didn't
crazy.
even know that would fit in there.
I know they're like, you know, put V8s and stuff in here.
Wow, that's crazy.
You gotta bang out the firewall.
That's insane.
Freaking sick.
Honestly, that's the first time I've ever seen something like this.
Wow.
Yeah. Like the
that's
fact that
Very
it fits
bold.
in here.
That's dope. That's freaking dope, man. You don't see that often.
Nice.
Exactly. And you're not scared of it.
Nice.
Wide body gang.
Loving that RCF though. Classic V8. So sad that no more V8s.
That car's like what, 100K, 90K?
An RCF?
No?
It's like 80.
Oh, 80?
Yeah. Oh shit. It's Takami's car. The A86.
What?
Nice.
What a clean
Sick. Oh damn, look at this one. This one's crazy. That body kit. Drift Life. A Supra, S2K and Civic parked up. Chilling. Hella stock Supra. The white looks good though. Definitely needs a wash. A lot of Miatas. There's like hella Miatas here. This is basically a Miata meet.
Was me when
When Charles had blonde hair, he looks like this guy driving.
Yo.
Yo, Charles.
So that's what I was looking at.
Oh no.
I mean, it's cooked. You ready to go if you want.
Guido's our master chef right here.
It's chef.
Isn't the youngest person supposed to go?
So we finished having Korean barbecue, and I just washed up the Supra because it really needed a wash right now. Kind of fucked up because I don't have a towel for this, and like basically this whole area is all wet, so I'm just gonna have to air dry it while driving. That really makes up for the rest of the video. I don't know, I guess that's really the full video. TF Works season closer meet was pretty insane. A lot of drift cars there. Let me know what car or what build you thought was the most interesting. For me, it was definitely that E30 with the Honda motor in it, or engine in it. That was pretty crazy. But yeah, that's really it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.